The common yellowthroat, a small songbird, is characterized by its olive back, wings and tail, yellow throat and chest, and white belly. Adult males have a distinctive black face mask, while females and immature birds lack this mask and have paler underparts. Appearance: adult males, olive backs, wings, and tails, yellow throats and chests, white bellies, black face mask stretching from the sides of the neck across the eyes and forehead, bordered above with white or gray. Adult females, similar to males but with paler underparts and lacking the black mask. Immature birds, similar to adult females. First-year males have a faint black mask that darkens by spring.